What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. As you can see, we got a package here to unbox. The Blue Alien is not on deck. I don't know where the double-bladed bat knife is. All we got is this, a pair of scissors, but we going in. Oh, there we go. I don't know what happened to the Blue Alien. Okay, so we got the XK Dexterity X100. And this is a quad that does inverted flight, acro, and all of that stuff. This came to us from Hobby and RC. So shout out to them. Okay, so there we go. Got an instructions manual here. Oh, it's half English, half Chinese or Mandarin. I don't know. But here's the quad here. And this is a binding fly. I guess you have to have a transmitter that's able to fly Futaba. But I do have deviation on my Devos. And we do have a jumper T8SG. So hopefully we'll be able to fly and set everything up on that. Oh, and I have my XK, my dusty XK transmitter over here that I hardly ever use. So here's the quad here. Pretty light. I imagine that it has to be light in order for you to do inverted flips and all. This is actually a Blade Nano QX 3D clone, I think. Definitely is. And so here is a battery. We have a 1-cell, 250 milliamp hour 1S battery. Those of you who have not seen the Blade Nano QX 3D, I'll put links in the description so you can see videos of that, me flying that. And so we have this double charger here. They only gave us one battery though, but these batteries are easy to come by. I think I have a bunch of these, all the little toy grades that I have. We have a USB charging cable that goes into here to charge the batteries. We have a set of spare props, a full set. So let's have another look at this guy. We have some plastic film on top of the canopy there to protect it. The antenna is up under here. And it looks like the frame of this thing is the actual PDB board. So hopefully we won't break an arm. I imagine if we broke an arm, then this thing will be done for. But it's so light though, it probably won't have enough momentum in flight to break an arm. Hopefully we don't. So you guys can expect some flight footage of this one coming up really soon. And ultimately maybe a quick review or full review. It's the XK X100 Dexterity. Thanks for watching.